You've done some complex work to create a scene that merges the added components with an existing tableau. You'll preview it to see it in action. Press the Home key or move the current time indicator to the beginning of the time ruler, and then press the space bar to preview the movie. Let it play through completely once to cache the video and audio, and once it's cached, it should play in real time. When you're done, press the spacebar again to stop playback. It's looking pretty good, but the word R may show up unexpectedly toward the end, and the crab quotes all appear at once. You'll adjust layers to ensure they appear when you want them to. Go to 5 seconds. Select the R layer, and press Alt or Option in the right bracket key. This will mark the out point for the layer. Go to 606, select Crab Quote 1, and press Alt or Option and the left bracket key. Go to 715, select Crab Quote 2, and press Alt or Option and the left bracket key. And go to 901, select Crab Quote 3, and press Alt or Option and the left bracket key. Press the spacebar to preview the movie again, or drag your current time indicator across the time ruler in order to see when all of the layers appear. Now the text and quotes appear when you expect them to. Choose File and Save to save your work so far.